Here on the Sunshine Coast, everything we do is designed, built and delivered by Quik Corp. I'm Fiona, CEO of Quik Corp. We're a proud Australian-owned family business with a long history of delivering innovative products to multiple industries. Today, our focus is firmly on the future, building our capabilities, growing our people and raising the bar for engineered manufacturing right here in Australia. Let me introduce you to my husband Adam, who leads our operations.
Thanks, Fiona. I'm Adam, Head of Manufacturing Excellence. What you're about to see is the journey of an idea, from concept through to fully finished equipment. And it starts right here in the hub. Our sales team work with customers to define the need. From there, our design and engineering team translate requirements into 3D models, drawings and specifications. Every design is reviewed for manufacturability, performance and real-world application. Procurement secures the right materials and components. Nothing hits the floor until design and supply chain are locked in. Engineering stays engaged throughout, supporting prototypes, managing changes, and feeding innovation back into production. In fabrication, our steel is staged and tracked through each workstation. Our CNC laser cutting systems process steel plate with pinpoint accuracy, fast, clean, and consistent. Press brakes form sections with precision, and skilled welders and fitters assemble components to engineered specifications. Safety is built into every stage, with in-process checks to make sure the product is right before it moves on. This is where raw material becomes engineered components, and it's powered by people, experienced trades mentoring apprentices, passing on knowledge that keeps capability growing. Our machining capability ensures critical components are produced in-house. CNC milling machines, lathes, and the Haas VF3, a vertical machining centre with automated tool changing, give us flexibility and accuracy across a wide range of parts. Not every build follows the same path. Some flow in a straight line, others draw directly from machining into the line. That flexibility keeps production moving, no matter how complex the project. Alongside machining, we operate our own roto-moulding facility, where we produce tanks and other components, all under one roof. Our hosing division builds and pressure tests hose assembly here, ensuring supply, safety and quality control. And with in-house sign writing, every build leaves complete with a consistent professional identity. In custom assembly, engineered plans become tailored solutions. This is where unique projects take shape, from firefighting units to rescue trucks and agricultural equipment. Here, collaboration drives outcomes. Our people problem solve in real time, bringing together structural, mechanical, and auto-electrical trades to deliver builds that work where they're needed most, saving lives, supporting communities, and helping industries perform. Standard assembly is about engineered consistency at scale, structured workflows, and cross-trained teams deliver high volumes of repeatable builds with the same benchmark of quality. Each step is supported by validation checks to ensure every product performs exactly as designed. Dispatch is the final quality gate. Every build is checked, tested, and signed off before leaving the floor. From stores to forklifts to final loadout, every process ensures our customers receive equipment that's complete, compliant, and ready to perform. And with a focus on sourcing locally wherever possible, we support Australian suppliers to ensure jobs and capability are kept right here on the Sunshine Coast. From design through to delivery, every part of this facility is focused on the same thing: building capability, supporting our people, and delivering engineered quality our customers can depend on. Our people are the constant. Some have been with Quik Corp for decades. Others are just beginning their journey. Together, their pride, knowledge, and commitment are built into every product. It's Australian manufacturing at its best. Innovative, sustainable, and built right here.
I'm Grant, founder of Quik Corp. Our family and our team take great pride in every product that leaves this floor.
Now you've seen our facility, our focus is to continue lifting our capability and quality right here in Australia. Thank you for visiting Quik Corp.